Hey guys, so I just cleaned these filters for the Coway AP-1008CH, and it had been a little more than a month, I'd say. I wasn't so good at keeping these clean, but they turned out pretty good afterwards. I just took a vacuum cleaner without any kind of hose or anything and just took away all the dust on the dust filter. The A3 filter, just lightly went over it with the vacuum cleaner, and not as much as I did on the dust filter. And here, I was a little extra careful. You know, I went like this all over the filter, carefully and slowly, and then once up to down, then I turned it over, and I did the same thing, and it turned out very, very clean. So I can't complain. So this is the big one. This is the big filter. This is the HEPA filter, and we're just gonna install these now, so you guys know how to install them. Probably shouldn't drag them on the floor like that. Just remove all the extra gunk. Luckily, I did clean earlier, so we have a little arrow there, and that's how it's gonna go into the filter or the purifier, and you just kind of shove it in. Let me put it on the wide angle so you guys can see. So it's a little tricky sometimes. You gotta press it in perpendicular, kind of like that, and don't press too hard. Press on the sides, kind of, so it just goes in perfectly. There you go. Okay, let's make sure it's all secured in there. Boom. Next thing is the A3 filter. That's this one, the carbon thing. And if you find any dust on the bottom, definitely remove that. That's not good. Sorry about that, guys. Probably want to check that. That didn't go away, so it's gotta be something found later. There we go. It's all gone. So you have your A3 filter, and that's also gonna just go in like that. Just gonna be nicely placed right there, like that. And then you have your dust filter, which is just this little light thing. And all you have to do is place this one into these notches. So what I usually do is I take one side first. So once one side is in, I'll place in the other side. Boom, boom. And then there's a notch thing at the bottom. Place that in. And one at the top. Boom. Every one is in. So you'll see these with notches. I mean, it's these things. So I put it into the side first. Put in the other side, click in the bottom one. So you got to press a little bit and then click in the top one, and you're good and good to go. All set, and it's very, very clean. Nice. And this cover is so awesome because it just kind of just fits. It has all these magnets. You see all these magnets on the sides here? So it'll just kind of pop on. You just have to kind of have to let it do its thing. Place itself. There you go. I think that was good. Hold up, that wasn't really good. It's kind of difficult with one hand, I'd say, but you know, what can you do? You gotta kind of place the bottom first, it seems. So you place the bottom in these notches here, in there. You see that? Just in there, and then you just kind of let it go, and it turns on. And let's see, and you just gotta turn it on, turn on the mood lighting, and it will do its thing. Great, so now you know how to replace or clean your current air filter. And remember to clean the back side here properly, and also the sensor. Read the instructions, clean that out. Clean all around it, just to make sure it doesn't pick up any unnecessary dust and all that. And you're good to go. So thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your Coway air purifier. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.